What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode number 9 of Friday Night Flights. I'm sorry about last week. I was traveling back on the red eye from Vegas and I didn't get home till Thursday late. I slept all day. I'm battling a cold, so if I still sound nasally, that's probably the reason why. You're really prone to get sick anytime you go to a convention around a lot of people. But also trying to decide whether or not we're going to be doing these bi-weekly or once a month. The weekly edits are a little bit cumbersome for me to keep up with, especially with my business getting as busy as it's been. It's definitely harder to accommodate normal videos plus this and just everything else. So I may have bit off a little more than I can chew. Got a lot of cool stuff coming this month. Should have a Mavic Mini pretty soon. I'm going to take my time in reviewing it. Getting a lot of hate about just normal opinions, and quite frankly, I don't really want those type of viewers. The people who are featured in these episodes are the viewers I want and the ones that I typically want to associate with. So if you can't appreciate other people's opinions, honestly, just keep it to yourself and truck along. But if you want to know more about that video, make sure you subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss it when I do drop it. It's going to be a little bit later. I'm taking a whole different approach for that video. But yeah, got a lot of great pilots for this episode. Craig Dickert should be just titled for this episode. Shouldn't even be number 9. It should just be Craig Dickert because he submitted a lot of footage. And it seems like this guy really does travel quite a bit. And he's got some great, beautiful locations, including Tampa. So anyways, enjoy this episode. I'll see you soon.